In this video, we will get some motivation about topological data analysis. Like, why should we study this course? Why are we actually doing topological analysis? And what meaning does shape actually have? Right? What is the meaning of shape? What meaningful thing we have with the shape or in general topological features? So one thing is that in traditional machine learning or deep learning, we don't deal with these topological features. So we can combine topology with deep learning. So one application can be combined topology or TDA with deep learning or machine learning. So these topological features can be used as a supplement features which can help in tasks like classification. So based on topological features, we can classify objects. We can say that uh, objects having these kind of topological features go to class A, and objects having those kind of topological features go to class B. So topological features can be used for discrimination between different type of objects or different type of class. So classification can be done. uh, so these topological features can be leveraged in deep learning models. One more so this is one application. One other application which people are so people are using topological analysis in neuroscience as well. So in neuroscience, people are using TDA in neuroscience. So in brain, in our human brain, we have different kind of regions. So through topological data analysis, we can find out which parts of my brain are well connected or strongly connected. This can help us getting the insights about which regions of brain functions together, right? Or what kind of uh, changes in in these regions we spot if a person is suffering from any disease. So I found one illustration here. So these are these nodes are denoting the regions in my brain, in the human brain, and these edges are the connection between those regions. So some regions might be strongly connected and some may have weak connections. So these topological features associated with this data set of brain can help us in gaining the insight about the functioning of brain, like which modules uh, are necessarily to be work together. Or we can it can also help doctors in medical diagnosis, like based on the topological differences in brain connectivity, we can say that this person is healthy or a diseased person, right? So topological differences can help us in classifying as a person as healthy person or a sick person, right? So how actually this is done, that involve too much maths, and for that we have to study topology first. But I have uh, placed this section here so that we'll get some kind of motivation, like where this topology is being used, so that it motivates us why should we study this subject. So in neuroscience we have the application of topological data analysis, and one more application I found on the internet is uh, 3D segmentation. So we have 3D segmentation. Don't worry about how actually these things are happening, because of course you won't get it. Just understand what exactly is happening, how TDA is helping us. So, uh, 3D segmentation is nothing but we have some 3D points, and we have to classify uh, each point into some category. So, if someone gives us uh, some 3D points, let's say those 3D points represent humans. So, based on topological, so maybe the points which are of head have some topological features, right? And of uh, torso or upper or lower, these have obviously they have some different shapes and different kind of topological features. So these topological features can help us in identifying or doing this 3D segmentation. And usually these 3D shapes are stored as points, or points and edges, triangles, as in computer, right? So computer in computer we will tell that this is the point of head, this is the edges in between those points, these are the triangles we are getting in the data. So computer know the value of point, the edges, connection of edges, or the triangles that are being formed. So in segmentation task, we classify each such 3D point. So we have one point here, one point here. So this point is classified into head, and this point is classified into torso. So this can be done with the help of topological analysis. So yeah, so these are some three applications which I came across, which I when I was searching the web. So yeah, this course has some worth of learning. So topological data analysis uh, which is something which people are using in real world, and working on some really good projects. So uh, that's why we should study uh, topological analysis.